Considering a move to Locust Grove, Georgia, you're about to get inside scoop on DRB's newest community, Brighton, in Locust Grove, Georgia, and the top 5 things you should consider before adding it to your list. I'm T, the new construction queen, a buyer's agent who helps you compare new construction communities so you can confidently choose the right home and love where you live. All right, let's go new construction house hunting. So this is one of the countertop options that would likely be in the home if you bought one that is standing. DRB does have a couple of options that you can choose from. This here is what's considered the gourmet kitchen. The gourmet kitchen is going to be included in the price if you are buying a home that is standing. And then a lot of you might want your stairways to be carpet free And they are also including that as well without having to upgrade. If you are wanting to add this game day porch, this is only an option if you were to build your home from the ground up. This addition is about another $14,000 to $17,000 on top of the purchase price. So this here is an upgrade. Some people wonder, well, how close are the homes to each other? You are getting great size lots, but I want you to know that home sites are going to vary based on the home site. And even from this video right here, it's very hard to tell. Like it looks like it's close together, but it's really not. Like it's really not close together at all. So I always want to encourage you to come in person to see, to decide about the home site before just, you know. So here are a few of the exterior elevations. Oh, I see a 3-car. Okay. They snuck that one in just to give you an idea. Now, because these ones are already standing, there will not be any customization options. You will have to choose from whichever one you like. At DRB Brighton, you will be able to enjoy a resort-style pool, playground. There goes your mail kiosk and lots of parking. You can see it a little bit, but there is a walking trail around the community that goes almost 2 miles long. Now let's go see what this resort style pool has for us. All right, okay. DRB Brighton. All right, let's talk about DRB Brighton. Because if there are 3 to 4 other DRB communities, we have DRB Westwind, we have DRB Kingston, we have DRB Trinity Park, why would you consider DRB Brighton? DRB Brighton has the same floor plans. We got the Clarity everyone loves, the McKinley, the Rosemary, and we have a new one, the Stonefield. But the price difference is the game changer. Going from McDonough or Hampton down to Locust Grove is gonna save you easily $50,000 to over $100,000 on your price tag. And in case you're wondering, even though there is a significant difference in the purchase price, you're still going to get the amazing DRB features that you have grown to love. I wanna give you another number. At the time of recording this video, DRB is doing something that DRB rarely does. 4.99 fixed interest rates plus still contributing to your closing costs. DRB is known for giving around $20,000 to $25,000 plus 2% of the purchase price, which is an amazing incentive. But the 4.99 is going to change your payment drastically. Here's an example of the difference and why a 4.99 fixed interest rate incentive is so powerful. There are over 190 home sites left in this community. What is powerful about that is no matter where you are in your home buying journey, thinking about relocating, thinking about buying, still saving, working on credit, I'm not really sure what I want to do, you have enough time to be able to make a great decision. I hope that you have enjoyed exploring DRB Brighton with me today. Here's a couple of things that you can do now based on where you are in your home buying. Number 1, if you've got questions, just getting started, or would like a home buying game plan, you can schedule a complimentary 15-minute new construction home buying snapshot. Maybe you want a short list of homes or communities to compare in Locust Grove, Hampton, Stockbridge, or McDonough. For that, you can request a personalized home list. If you're ready to see homes in person, you can book a Saturday new home exploration tour and you'll get a completely guided tour experience. And finally, if you'd like to be up to date on new communities, when homes are released, builder incentives change, and buyer tips, you can subscribe to the weekly new construction home buying brief sent every Tuesday. I put everything you need down below in the description. See the new construction queen. I'll see you in the next new construction house hunting video.